Hello student, good morning to all of you. We are studying environmental study part 1 and this is the first part of the lesson number 6 rules for everyone. So let's begin the topic. So student, every in our day to day life we are traveling by the road. So that time we should follow the some traffic rule. We follow traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly. In the same way, there are rules for social life also, and that tell us what each person should be doing. So we need to follow the rules, and rules need to be made to specify each person duties and responsibilities. If we follow the rules, no, our day to day life become disciplined and we can work more effectively and efficiently. So rule are meant for everyone. This is for each and every person, not for someone. So they apply equally to all. No one is above the rules. Disobeying the rules lead to punishment. Disobeying means what? The breaking rule. If someone not following the rules, breaking the rules. So there is no discrimination in the punishment for breaking the rules. In this way, equality is the basis of the rule. So these rules for each and every person, and we should follow the all the rules. If we are disobeying the rules, it's then that time we will get punishment, and that time we deserve punishment by the police, by the traffic police. So there is no discrimination in the punishment for the breaking the rules. So everyone is equality. So equality is the basis of this rule. So change in the rules for society. Our society works according to the certain rules. We make the rules for ourselves. We follow these rules because they are meant for common good. Proper changes are also introduced in the rules made for the society. So there is difference between the rules of society and the law of the nature. So what is meant by the law of the nature? So natural occurrence follow the laws of the nature. We cannot change the laws of the nature. The rising and the setting of the sun we cannot change, and the change in the season never stop. The law of the gravity does not change. We cannot change the law of gravity. The rising and falling tides, the phases of the moon, all these things, no, this is our natural. We cannot change these things occur according to the law of the nature. So nature's law are constant and fixed. They do not ever become outdated. However, human law need to change with the changing condition. We can change human law, but we cannot change the natural law. So the law follow in India under the rule of the British were different. When India gained independence, the situation changed and the law of the civic life changed accordingly. For example, after independence, no, voting age was 21 year, and after 1988 the voting age was lower low, lower to the 18 years. So boys and girls or men and women are all equal according to the Indian constitution. This law, no, we can change. We should boy and girl treat equally. It is not correct to discriminate between boys and girls. It just unjust to deprive girls of the good food and to prevent them from going to the school. Such injustice can also be seen with respect to others section of the society. So now observe these two picture. In these two picture, what injustice do you observe? Now see, first person is saying, like Saukar is saying to that poor people, poor person, I have that poor person say to that Saukar, I have written all your money. How can I still be in debt? So this is injustice with that poor people, that poor person return all money to that saukar, but still that saukar is troubling him for the purpose of the money. So it is a unjustic. Now see, in second picture you can see the owner and the maid doing lots of work. So maid said, even though I worked without a single holiday in a month, why do you pay me so little? Means she is not taking holiday, she is doing her work properly, regularly, every day, but her owner of her that owner, her that malkin, her malkin is not giving her that certification of the money, is not giving money properly, so it is also ingesting with the maid. We follow many customs and tradition in our lives. Rules have to be made to ensure that no injustice is done. So, a list of the rules is prohibition against the loudspeaker in public place after 10 o'clock at night. Here are some rules, list of rules. Then free primary education for all the boys and girls. Here I have some list of the rules that that is a rules for society. First is prohibition, means what? Ban. There is a ban against loudspeaker in public places after 10 o'clock at night. After 10 o'clock, no, we cannot play the loudspeaker DJ like DJ. So it is a ban. Free primary education for all the boys and girls. Then prohibition means ban against dumping garbage in the river, dumping garbage in the lake. So it is a ban. Next rule is protection against domestic violence for women. Means no, we cannot harass the women. It is uh, it is not allowed. So protection, where that person, that woman get protection against the domestic violence. So ban on child labor. Child labor means what? Uh, like small boys and girls working in shops and hotels, so it is a ban. There is no allowed to work in any shop, in any hotel to child, because they deserve to take education in their childhood. Ban on felling ban on felling trees, hunting and poaching, means we cannot hunt uh, animals, and we cannot um, cut the trees. That is wrong, and that is against the law, and we cannot hunt any animal, and we cannot poaching also the animals, so we cannot harm that animal. It is against the law. So here some rules I explain you. Let's move ahead.